Oh, should I put an apron on for each one of these? Hello there! Today I am going to teach you how to enjoy eating your vegetables. I kind of stumbled upon this at one point and really love these roasted veggies, and it's so simple. All you need is a bag of mixed vegetables. I get these at Ralph's, but I think pretty much any grocery store has them. And then a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. I actually use garlic salt because this is my favorite thing to use in everything. And then I really like using parchment paper because you can put it on the pan and then your cleanup is so easy. So here we go. Okay, so first things first, you just take a sheet of parchment paper, pull it out to the length of the pan, and spread it out. I'm gonna put it upside down because it's rolling. And, all right, and I'm gonna put a little extra on here because I was careless in my tearing and there's some spots sticking up. So, all right, so basically you just take whatever mixed vegetables you like. Stop that. You take whatever vegetables you like. I was actually out to eat one day and had these roasted vegetables at the restaurant and they were so good, and so I tried to recreate it, and it was broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. So that's what I've been using for this. I just love this because it was $3.99 and it's just ready to go. A big problem and a deterrent about eating vegetables is the prep time. There's just a lot of like chopping and cleaning and all that, and this eliminates all of that from it. I washed my hands beforehand, don't worry. Not that you're eating this, but whatever. And then every now and then there will be some really large chunks in here, and so I will just take a little knife and just cut like a few, cut them into smaller pieces. You definitely don't have to. It's just your preference. I like roasting them till they get little yummy crispies. So if they're smaller, you get a little more of those. So this is so easy. Literally all I do, dump it on, drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and then add salt and pepper. I love fresh cracked pepper, so I put that on pretty much everything. But you can do your own seasonings. Every now and then an arm comes out of my counter and eats things. It's so weird. And then, yeah, this Lowry's garlic salt is my favorite ever. It's got parsley in it, and it just adds that little bit of extra oomph that makes it so delicious. So I preheated the oven to 400 degrees before I started this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it in. Okay, so I'm gonna let that go for 30 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer. So this is something that you can just kind of throw in the oven and then do some other stuff around the house. I generally leave it for about 30 minutes, and you're gonna wanna stir it every 10 minutes just so the bottom doesn't get burnt. You can cook it to whatever your desired cookedness is. I really like when it starts to brown and blacken on the edges and you get little crispy things, but some people like them not so cooked. Some people like them completely crunchy, so that is up to you. When it comes to the cooking time, it's pretty much just eyeballing it. I do it at 400 for probably 30 minutes, but I kind of, sorry, it's not super precise, but I just watch it at 30 minutes. I'll take it out and see if it's quite as done as I want. And if not, you can pop it in a little longer. The good thing is you can't really ruin it unless you like wait till it catches on fire, which I would not recommend, because then you have nothing. But yeah, super simple. And now we just wait.